Hi, Tuck Heads. We're back with another food review on the Tuck Daddy Productions channel. If you're watching on Facebook, coming to YouTube, subscribe. Maybe flip a little thumbs up. That would help me as well. As today we have something from Dairy Queen, and coinciding with the 50th anniversary of the United States of America landing on the moon. Dairy Queen, via Blizzard, I don't know if it's like in partnership with NASA or something, they have what they call the Zero Gravity Blizzard. Zero Gravity Blizzard. Now, from what I understand anyway, and I got via email today, that the Zero Gravity Blizzard is cotton candy swirled up like cotton candy ice cream, I think. I don't know if it's really cotton candy. Swirled up with Oreo pieces and then like little sprinkles and whatnot. It's very blue. Like many shades of blue, pink. I don't know what it has to do with landing on the moon, but if it's a good blizzard and I can work it into my ice cream rotation, I'll do it. Shout out to our Hastings DQ. Always awesome. Lots of Raider Nation, Raider Faithful work over there. Always nice to see lots and lots of them working at DQ. Now, my wife got this from DQ and put it in the freezer for just a little bit. I honestly like my blizzards, more frozen anyway. I mean, like a lot of times I'll get a blizzard and I'll put it in the freezer overnight. And then I'll eat it. I don't like the soft serve, you know what I mean? But here we go. Inside, well, look, let's do the test. It's good. Sprinkles, stars, and stripes. Okay, right? But then this crazy blue ice cream with some of the white undertones. Let's give her a shot. I'm expecting like just a weird flavor blast to the tongue because cotton candy and Oreos. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. It's good though. But that's crazy. Very sweet. The sprinkles, and then that Oreo, it's like it shouldn't be there, but it's not necessarily out of place when you're actually eating it. It's not, it doesn't throw off the flavor, I guess. But on the front, it has this fruity almost undertone right away that just is just awesome. It's so yummy. They're almost like Nerds. A little softer than Nerds. But this is so good, you guys. Yeah. Again, I don't understand the whole putting Oreos in with this. I think even without the Oreos, those sprinkles and, almost Nerds. And I used to love the Nerds Blizzard back in the day. But this is so good, you guys. It's so easy to give ice cream a 10. Even, remember I like the Sour Patch Kids ice cream too. But this is from Who Knows How to Do Ice Cream, being DQ. Wow. So good. Okay, one more bite. So good. I don't need the huge one. Look at me right now. definitely don't need the big blizzard, but it's awesome. Trust me. 9 out of 10. The Oreos don't have to be in there. I mean, is that my only detractant from this blizzard? Maybe. I just don't think the Oreos need to be in there. I think it's a great blizzard anyway. That cotton candy, that fruity front, and then just the backdrop of those sprinkles, and it's so good. Go out and get it. Again, Zero Gravity Blizzard from DQ. It's a new one. It just came out on June 24th. Today, as we record this video, tonight, late night. I'm tired. Anyway, I'm going to go enjoy, probably eat the whole rest of this ice cream, and then go night. So I'll be back with another video soon. Do you want to hear? Do you want to hear? See? Do you want me to do something regarding something you want to eat, try, taste? Let me know down in the comments below. What do you want to see me try next? Lots of new stuff starting to come out. Let me know. What do you want to see next? Tuck Daddy Productions. Be back with another video soon.